everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mar and today we're going to talk about the best hair products I've used recently for my blonde hair. Yes, I'm blonde now if you missed. My hair was very fried when I first dyed it blonde and I literally needed the best products ever to revive my hair back and look at how healthy and shiny it looks right now. I've tried so many different products and I think that these are the best when it comes to affordable products that actually work for blonde hair. Needed some quick energy. I'm like literally addicted to energy drinks. Like you guys, I had pre-workout this morning, I had a coffee already, and now I'm on my sugar-free Red Bull. This is, by the way, not sponsored by Red Bull. It's a hair video. Why the f would it be sponsored by Red Bull? But I just had to let you in on my current addiction. So if you didn't notice already, we're talking about the Joico Blonde Life line. By the way, this line is available on Amazon and it's pretty affordable. Each item I'm going to be talking about retails for around $20 to $25 each, dollars Canadian. So I would say like this is one of the most affordable hair care lines that are meant for blonde hair. I have been using this line for around 2 weeks now, so my opinion about it is still pretty fresh, pretty new. But I'm gonna say I do love it and I had to like literally make a video about it to share with you guys my love for this line. So first we're gonna be talking about the shampoo. So this is a brightening shampoo to nourish and illuminate blonde hair. By the way, it is not a purple shampoo. I repeat, it is not a purple shampoo. Actually, nothing in this line is colored purple or meant to tone your hair. It's more meant to like nourish your hair, bond build, and just make it like overall healthier, shinier. Like my hair is so soft right now. I really wish you guys could just like put your hand through the screen and touch my hair because it's that soft. So I'm gonna read what it says on the back of this shampoo. It's free of sulfates, first of all. It's a brightening shampoo that gently cleanses your hair for bright, beautiful blonde. Nutrient rich, and it has a lot of like natural oils to help restore, strengthen, soften, and shine. So when I used this shampoo for my past 2 hair washes, I literally felt a noticeable difference of how soft, easy to like run my fingers through my hair it was. Naturally, I have really curly frizzy hair. I'll attach some photos, some videos so you guys can see. I did blow dry my hair straight and I honestly felt like it made my hair more manageable. Like I almost didn't really need to put in a lot of products when I styled my hair because this just made it so soft and manageable. Now, I am currently on a hair growth journey. I do oil my hair pretty frequently. I give myself scalp massages, and before I went for my wash the most recent time, I tried the Defy Damage product from Joico, and this is a flash 7-second bond builder. So this is kind of like a replacement for K18 or olaplex or those products that are meant to like really bond build your hair with protein. So yes, this product does contain protein in it. It's meant to like literally fix your broken hair. And I like that you only leave this on your hair for like 7 seconds when you're in the shower. So you're supposed to like wash your hair first and then apply this product. It's not a leave-in by any means. You don't do it before the shower, you do it in the shower, and it's a liquid. It's very liquid, but when you actually put it through your hair, it emulsifies and turns kind of into like a cream texture, so it's really easy to work with. 7 seconds too, like it's really quick. You don't have to wait a while. I usually like don't know how much time is running in the shower when I'm like putting stuff on my hair. I just like estimate, and like 7 seconds is just easy to keep like count of. I really liked how it kind of made my hair look like it's not broken when my hair in fact is broken. So I genuinely feel like this could be a more affordable alternative for K18 products. Now, after the 7-second bond maintaining treatment, I did go in with a Blonde Life brightening mask for intensely hydrated and detoxed hair. I'm gonna read the back of this mask. Instantly hydrates, softens, and illuminates by neutralizing chlorine and removing trace minerals that can dull and yellow down blonde hair. So it's kind of like describing this mask like by the description on the back. Gonna like remove all the mineral buildup, hard water buildup from your hair. So this also works as a treatment while it's also a mask. Now, I don't know if this contains protein, but I used it after I did the 7-second flash thing that has protein in it, and my hair like genuinely like felt amazing. I'm gonna reach out for this very often. I don't know how often you should be like cleansing your hair from hard water, but I live on the east coast of Canada where water is not the best for washing your hair. Like specifically, it is drinkable from the why did I forget the word? It is drinkable from like the faucet, like in the kitchen, whatever. But when you shower, like it's not filtered properly, so it is still hard water. Like it's kind of weird. So I do notice that my hair genuinely like became nicer after I used this. Now I don't know about like the color becoming brighter. My hair is toned. It has toner in it. I know like it's a warm honey blonde right now, so like I honestly can't tell if this kind of made my hair look brighter. But I honestly, you guys, I was shook. I literally, like, when I used these products for the first time, I went to JL, who is my husband if you're new here, and I was like, JL, run your fingers through my hair and feel how soft it is. Like, I'm not exaggerating. I'm gonna make you guys obsessed with this. And on top of everything, it is literally affordable. I'm gonna be putting the links to everything in the description down below so you guys can have easy access to getting it and trying it out yourself. We're coming to the end of this video, which is really sad. I thought that this was gonna be a longer video, but I'm literally just talking about how much I love this line of hair products. There's only so little I could say. I really hope that I convince you guys to get these products because I genuinely think that they are like better quality than some of my higher and more expensive products that I've used in the past for my blonde hair. And the fact that they're affordable is just like an added bonus. Like I love that about them. This is gonna be it for today. I hope you guys actually like buy these products and try them out because I'd love to know your opinion about them. And if you did try them out in the past, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.